Here at InnerDrive, we believe that understanding how learning happens is fundamental to great teaching. So we specialise in illuminating and translating the educational research out there in order to enable the teachers to further develop their evidence-informed practice. So how do we do this? Well, our range of on-site teacher CPD workshops cover a wide range of topics such as Rosenshine's principles, using questions, cognitive load theory, and much, much more. And in order to complement and enhance their impact, we now have an extensive online collection of on-demand courses, resources, expert insights, keynotes, and webinars, which make it easy for you to develop and deliver high-impact in-house CPD. We pride ourselves on providing high-quality, practical, evidence-informed training that we tailor to your school or college's needs. We just don't do boring, because we have a reputation to uphold for interactive, high energy and engaging training that has an impact on all of your staff. The result? Well, we are told and we see buzzing, motivated and inspired staff who are ready to generate practical action plans that will make a difference. But don't take our word for it. Here's what teachers say about our teacher professional development training courses. If you want inspirational, illuminating, and interactive professional development that makes a real difference, then don't wait. Get in touch with our team now.